Good morning. Well, yesterday we spoke a lot about our world and we saw lots of amazing images from lots of different countries as well as some from our area. Let's learn a little bit more about where they are. Here's a good question. How many continents are there in the world? Do you know how many continents there are in the world? There are 7. Can we name them? Now you might know this one, Europe. This is where we are. This is where United Kingdom is, Europe. North America. Antarctica. Australasia, or Oceania, it's also called. Africa. Asia. South America. Okay, 7 continents of the world. North America, South America join in the west. Europe and Asia meet together, and on Africa they rest. Australasia stands alone, floating down below, and Antarctica is the loneliest, where no one wants to go. Well, that was a great poem, but I wonder whether singing a song would help us remember it better. Join in once you've got the gist of it.
Split up into continents, there are 7 in all. And if you get the gist, we're gonna make a list from biggest to small. They are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia. Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Hey, my name is Asia, and more than half of the world lives here, but whatever.
And I am Africa with desert for miles, and the Nile is the longest river.
North America, start down in Panama, wide open spaces all the way to Canada.
I'm South America with animals galore, where the rainforest grows, cause the rain really pours.
I'm Antarctica, and I'm totally ours.
And I'm Europe, you're welcome, for the pasta, pizza, waffles, and fries.
I am Australia, some call me Oceania. I got a lot of islands, too many to explain to ya.
We are Asia, Africa, North and South America, Antarctica, Europe, and finally Australia.
Let's test our knowledge. Can you work out which continent is missing? So which continent have I covered over? Ooh, do you remember which one's up there? Well done, North America. Oh, what about that one? Which one was floating all alone? Australasia or Oceania, forgot them. Oh, which one's this one? Well done. You're right, it's Europe. Did we get this one? Africa? Oh, this one. This is the largest one. Over half the world's population live there. Do you remember? Asia. What was that one at the bottom? Antarctica. Fabulous, well done. Now, do you know how many oceans there are? Have a little think. How many oceans are there? That's right, there are 5. Let's find out where they are. Here's the Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, and Pacific Ocean. It kind of looks like there are 2 Pacific Oceans, but there's not. When this flat map is turned into a globe, they're connected. And there you go, with all the continents as well. Fabulous. Fabulous. I hope this has ignited your interest in geography, and remember to send in your pictures of special places for our Friday's assembly. Here's mine, a beautiful sunset over Morecambe Bay. I can't wait to see what you send us. Thanks.